Reasons how beetroots amazed us, and an interesting health fact. Did you know eating 2 bananas give you enough energy for 90 minutes workout and reduce cramping? Now move to the topic. Beetroot is praised as one of the healthiest veggies. Beetroot are best enjoyed raw and uncooked, as cooking may destroy most of its nutrients. You can add them in salads or easier to just juice them up. Beetroots are one of the healthiest vegetables you can use, undoubtedly. A glass of beetroot juice helps in giving you all the vitamins and minerals in a concentrated form. If your mixture is too thick, you can add some water to balance the consistency. But remember, don't remove the pulp, that's where all your fiber is. Apart from being used as food, beetroot is also used as a medicinal plant and a food colorant. Reasons how beetroots amazed us. Regulate blood pressure. Beets are rich in nitrates. They help to relax and dilate blood vessels. Boost physical stamina. Nitric oxide help to allow your blood to flow faster and your muscle to get more oxygen during a workout. More brain power. The added oxygen flow in your blood goes to your brain too, which improves cognitive functioning. Keep you regular. Beetroot fiber improves digestive system, so it can be benefit to those who struggle with constipation or irregular stools. Skin appearance. Beets are loaded with antioxidants, fight against free radicals, which causes cellular damage and are partly responsible for the visible signs of aging.